What is bat? Any group of mammals capable of flight. This ability, coupled with the ability to navigate at night by using a system of acoustic orientation, has made that the bat highly diverse and populous order. When it comes to navigate at nights, bats are champions among animal kingdom. Their vision and smell are predominant senses. Many bats are able to detect objects as human hear darkness. These bats emit high-frequency sounds that bounce back to their ears, enabling them to detect objects in total darkness, or they use their ears to see in the dark. Bats are already seen by many people, and when the bats fly, it's always at night. So in today's video, let me show you on how to identify some species of the bats. Greater horseshoe bat is a rare one. It is the largest horseshoe bat, thus easily to distinguish from other species. This is a great round-leaf bat, also known as great Himalayan leaf-nose bat. They are called round-leaf bats after the shape of their nasal ornament. It gives birth to 2 young a year. Diadem leaf-nose bat, one of the most widespread species of bat in the family of Hippocideridae. It have a large teeth. Their habitat grows in warm, humid caves, hollow trees, and even on tree branches. African yellow bat. This bat is an attractive bat with a dog face. Females give birth to twins at the end of November or early in December. They are resting by day in a hollow and crack of a large tree. Japanese house bat is a species of whisper bat. It refers to roost under the ceiling or inside the roof of old building. These are the bats we usually see on our roof every time it gets dark. So, let us proceed now in ferns and lycophytes. What is fern? A flowerless plant which has feathery or leafy fronds and reproduced by spores released from the undersides of the fronds. A fern is a member of a group of vascular plants. So, this is the parts of the fern. Frond, the whole fern leaf, from the blade to the stalk. Then blade, it is the expanded leafy part of the frond. Axis, or also known as rachis, it is the stalk within the blade. Then penna, or called leaflet, it is a primary division of the blade. Then penniole, also known as subleaflet, it is a division of the penna. And penniole can be divided into 2 lobes, fiddlehead and curling fronds. Stipe, it is the support, the stalk, or the stem structure, especially the petiole of a fern frond. What is lycophytes? Lycophytes, also known as the fern allies, are a clade of vascular plants similar to ferns, but have unique leaves called microphyls. They are primitive plants and lack of seeds, wood, fruits, and flowers. Reproduction in lycophytes. As with all plants, lycophytes have 2 alternations of generation. The dominant generation in lycophytes is the sporophyte generation, which produces spores for reproduction. Multiple spores are developed in sporangia and dispersed by wind and water. The fern and lycophytes are 2 groups of vascular plants without woods, seeds, or flowers. They are both ancient groups of plants that once dominated in the forest in many parts of the world. By reproducing of spores makes fern and lycophytes very good at dispersing as spores are very light and can be carried long distances on the wind. The highly ability for dispersal means the ferns and lycophytes have found their way onto many of the most isolated islands in the world.